The defamation suit against City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby was front and center in a federal courtroom today.
Yeah, this is good. 5 of the 6 officers have filed charges against Marilyn Mosby, including defamation and violations of their civil rights for what they call the malicious prosecution in the Freddie Gray case. ABC 2 News investigative reporter Brian Kubler here now to explain it all to what happened today.
Jamie, today's hearing was basically about whether or not this case has merit and if the civil suit should be allowed to progress. The way Judge Marvin Garbus put it this morning, this defamation case is like an overgrown sheep, and today was about shearing it down to the bare skin and either putting it back out to pasture or sending it to the slaughterhouse. While it is unclear what his decision may be, he did seem to narrow the scope a bit. While charges of conspiracy, personal malice, and false imprisonment may be tossed out, there was a robust argument about defamation and the possible violation of the officer's civil rights. Basically, what this can come down to is whether or not Marilyn Mosby was acting as an investigator or a prosecutor, an important distinction when it comes to just how protected she may be if this suit can continue.
In this instance here, she's wearing both hats at the same time, and sort of like in the cat in the hat, you take one off and you got another hat on. And for that, you got another hat. But in this instance here, just similar to the cat in the hat, they're all on the same head. They're supposed to be on 2 different independent heads.
The theory by the officers being Miss Mosby chose to use specific and in some cases false evidence from her investigation to charge the 6 cops for reasons other than delivering justice. Representatives from the Attorney General's office representing Marilyn Mosby argued she is immune to all these charges because she is indeed a prosecutor. Of the 5 officers suing her, only Edward Nero and Garrett Miller were in court today. Neither commented after the hearing. Meanwhile, it could take 6 to 8 weeks before Judge Garbus rules on this case. In either decision, an appeal is expected.
All right, thanks a lot, Brian.